Will you help me? Will you help me?
Of course, I'll gladly help you. Of course, I'll gladly help you.
May I borrow your pen? May I borrow your pen?
Yes, you may borrow it briefly. Yes, you may borrow it briefly.
Did you lock the door? Did you lock the door?
No, I forgot to lock it. No, I forgot to lock it.
Can I stay with you? Can I stay with you?
Sorry, I need some privacy. Sorry, I need some privacy.
Are you feeling better? Are you feeling better?
Yes, I'm feeling much better now. Yes, I'm feeling much better now.
Are you coming tomorrow? Are you coming tomorrow?
Yes, I'll definitely be there. Yes, I'll definitely be there.
Will you call me tonight? Will you call me tonight?
Yes, I will definitely call you. Yes, I will definitely call you.
Have you finished your homework? Have you finished your homework?
Yes, I finished it this morning. Yes, I finished it this morning.
Shall we leave now? Shall we leave now?
No, let's wait a little longer. No, let's wait a little longer.
Did you watch that movie? Did you watch that movie?
Yes, I watched it last night. Yes, I watched it last night.
Have you met her parents? Have you met her parents?
No, I haven't met them yet. No, I haven't met them yet.
Shall I help you? Shall I help you?
Yes, please help me. Yes, please help me.
Would you marry a stranger? Would you marry a stranger?
No, I wouldn't do that. No, I wouldn't do that.
Will you dance with me? Will you dance with me?
Yes, I would love to dance. Yes, I would love to dance.
Can you swim very fast? Can you swim very fast?
Yes, I can swim quickly. Yes, I can swim quickly.
May I use your laptop? May I use your laptop?
Sorry, it's not working properly. Sorry, it's not working properly.
Did you lose your wallet? Did you lose your wallet?
Yes, I lost it yesterday. Yes, I lost it yesterday.
Have you cleaned your room? Have you cleaned your room?
No, it's still very messy. No, it's still very messy.
Shall we meet for lunch? Shall we meet for lunch?
Yes, let's meet at noon. Yes, let's meet at noon.
Would you live in Japan? Would you live in Japan?
Yes, I'd love to live there. Yes, I'd love to live there.
Can I bring my friend? Can I bring my friend?
Yes, of course you can. Yes, of course you can.
Can you hear that sound? Can you hear that sound?
Yes, I can hear it clearly. Yes, I can hear it clearly.
Would you eat raw fish? Would you eat raw fish?
No, I would never eat that. No, I would never eat that.
Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love strong black coffee. Yes, I love strong black coffee.
Can you swim well? Can you swim well?
No, I can't swim very well. No, I can't swim very well.
Should I call her? Should I call her?
Yes, you should call her immediately. Yes, you should call her immediately.
Have you seen my keys? Have you seen my keys?
No, I haven't seen them anywhere. No, I haven't seen them anywhere.
Did you enjoy the movie? Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes, it was absolutely fantastic. Yes, it was absolutely fantastic.
Could you speak louder? Could you speak louder?
Sure, I'll speak more clearly. Sure, I'll speak more clearly.
Do I need a jacket? Do I need a jacket?
Yes, it's quite cold outside. Yes, it's quite cold outside.
Can I open the window? Can I open the window?
No, it's too noisy outside. No, it's too noisy outside.
Shall we leave now? Shall we leave now?
Yes, we should leave right away. Yes, we should leave right away.
Have you finished your work? Have you finished your work?
No, I still have a lot to do. No, I still have a lot to do.
Did they invite you? Did they invite you?
Yes, they kindly invited me. Yes, they kindly invited me.
Would she like this gift? Would she like this gift?
No, she wouldn't appreciate it. No, she wouldn't appreciate it.
Must I answer now? Must I answer now?
No, you can reply later. No, you can reply later.
Should we wait longer? Should we wait longer?
No, we've waited long enough. No, we've waited long enough.
Can we call them? Can we call them?
We can certainly call them. We can certainly call them.
Will they arrive soon? Will they arrive soon?
Yes, they'll be here shortly. Yes, they'll be here shortly.